Hello everyone, welcome to Must Watch Tips by AP. My name is Ayman Sheikh and do you know how to use lookup in Excel? So today we will learn VLOOKUP function in Excel. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So here we have a data set and we have some blanks over here. So we need to apply formula in this blank cells. And we have the master tables, three master tables in column J, K, L, O and P. So first is you have the name ID and here is the first name and the last name of this particular name ID. So suppose if in this A column you have a number like 19125, so the name ID for this number will be this. And same way if the country ID for any number, like if any country ID is 5, so the name in front of 5 should come as China. And same way if the qualification ID is 1, so in front of this qualification ID 1 you have to put PhD. So now if I tell you to put this name and country name and qualification name, so how will you do that? So for this, you just have only 5 country IDs. So what you will do, you will apply filter first. Like here one is there, so you will try to put Canada over here. Then you will try to apply filter like this and filter out one, and then you will put Canada wherever you find one, you will put Canada. Then same way, if 5 is China, so you will instead of this, you will filter out 5 and then you will put China over here. And same way you will drag China everywhere. So this is like you can do like this way, but for small data set it is fine. So if you will be having a large data set or huge data set, then that time you have to use VLOOKUP function. So let us see how to apply it. We have name ID on the first column and here in this table also we have the name ID. So that name ID should be in the very first column of the table. So now to apply this, we will write formula as VLOOKUP and then lookup value will be the name ID and we will put comma, then table array. So this is the lookup table. From this table you have to pick the values. So table array we have selected and now we will fix this table array. So we will select the range and we will press F4. So now this array is fixed. Now column index number. So here the first name we want on this B column. So first name is coming on second column. In this JKL table, first column is name ID, then second column is first name and third column is L, that is last name. So we will put column index as 2 because whatever value we want to pick from this column, JKL column, that value is in second column. And now exact match, so we will select false and we will close the bracket. So you can see that 32359. So if you will find 32359, which is here, so we have this name. And now if I will drag this formula like this way, so you can see that 32907. So where is 32907? It's here and we have the correct name. Same way we will apply VLOOKUP for last name also. So again we will type VLOOKUP and you can see that as I am typing just VLOO, so I can see that I have this formula and I will press tab. So that formula is selected. Now again I will select the lookup value, then table array. So I will again select the table array. I will fix it with F4, comma, and then next is column index. So last name is in third column. First column is name ID, second is first name and third column is last name. So I will write 3 over here and for false I will be writing 0. You can see that what we have, this name, it is coming over there. And we can again drag the same formula like this way. And if we don't want to drag it like this way, what you can do, we can go to the last cell and then select the range and press Ctrl D. So this way we have drag, or what we can say is we have the first name and last name. Now we want the country ID. So country ID, we have the table over here, country ID table. You can see. And here we have 1 as Canada, 2 as USA, 3 as Brazil, 4 India, and 5th as China. So again we will apply VLOOKUP and we will take the country ID as the lookup value. Table array will be this country ID. Again we have to fix this. I will tell you if we don't fix it. So suppose right now if I am not fixing the value and I am putting column index as 2, because first is the country ID and the second is country name that I want in this column. So I will write 2 and then 0 for false. So you can see that Canada is coming. Now if I will drag this formula, so you can see that here NA is coming. So why? Because we haven't fixed this range. So that range is getting dragged down. That's why we need to fix the range. So now in this formula only we will select the range that we want to fix and then we'll press F4. We will select this range. In this all cells we want the formula to be dragged and we'll press Ctrl D. So now you can see that here we have 5. So China is coming, for 2 USA is coming, for 3 Brazil is coming, like that way. So this way we have kept country name also. And lastly we will again see for qualification. So we will again press VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, then here table array will be this, and again for fixing this range we have to press F4. Then column index will be 2 and we'll press exact match, then enter. So you can see that for MTech 2 is the qualification ID. In the same way we have to drag the formula. So this way we can apply lookup in our data. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.